Hello everyone, I'm Raj Respal and I'm here to talk about installing web services or IIS. IIS stands for Internet Information Services. By using IIS, you can manage web servers in your domain. So I'm going to talk about how to install web services specifically using Windows Server 2008. So here are the requirements to install web services or IIS. You you need to have the following. First, we need to install the Windows Server 2008 with proper configurations. Since I'm using Windows Server 2008 for this demo. Next is log in as administrator. You actually don't need to log in as administrator, but you need to have access in installing roles in Windows Server. Next is install DNS server. It is not necessarily to install DNS server, but you need to have this in order to use the static IP address. So let's start in installing IIS. So the first step is you need to click the start menu, then select administrative tools and finally click on server manager. So you can do this or just search server manager on the search bar. So after opening server manager, we need to click on roles in the left side panel of it. So here in the left side corner of the server manager, click on roles and it will display this. Then next, click on the add roles link in the main window. Add roles is located at the right side of the screen, as you can see. Next, step 4. The add roles wizard will open, then click next to proceed. After that, select web server IIS from the list of available roles. Since we're going to install web server IIS, that is what we are going to select. After that, click on next and then step 6, select the specific component of IIS you want to install. So in installing IIS, there are a lot of different components. But after you uh, after you made it into this process in the wizard, there is already a default checks that is present here. These are the default needs for IIS 2, mainly the basic uh, or static web pages or HTML. So next is step 7. Review the summary of the roles and features to be installed. So just in here, you got to make sure that web server IIS is the one that you need to install. And also it lists down here the components that you want to install for IIS. So just click on install, then a progress bar, the installation progress process will commence. So here you can see the progress and the installing bar. After that, it will display the installation result. Once the installation is complete, click close to exit the wizard. So just click on close. Then after that, you can see the roles. You can see that the web server has been installed, and you can see the web server or IIS. If you click that, it will open the IIS manager. So let's go to the next part of my presentation, which is making a simple web page. So in making a simple web page, first let's create a folder in local disk C and create an HTML file inside it. So in this demo, I have made a folder which name testing, and inside it is a HTML file which name as default. And if you open that HTML file, you can see the content. Here I wrote it as this is my demo page. Then step 2, in IIS Manager, go to the sites. So here, if you after you open the IIS Manager, you can search it on the start button, or you can access it on the server manager. Then go to the default website. Go to the sites here. If you click on the sites, it will redirect you into this. Then create a new website. Here in the left side of the panel, you can see an action which says add website. Just click on it and it will display a new tab that will display the information that you need to input in order to create a new website. So here I made the site name testing, application pull testing. Uh, this uh, this text box will automatically filled if you name the site name. Next is the content directory, the physical path. So here, just select the folder that we have made earlier. So the name is testing. Then the binding, which is HTTP, and IP address is all the same. Then the host name will be testing.com. Then click on OK after you fill. Then step 5, after creating, go to directory browsing. So after you have created, it will on the left side of the IIS Manager, you can see the website that you have created. Just click on it and it will display this. So just go to directory browsing, then click enable. This feature allows you to enable the browsing of the website that you have created. Next, on step 7, go to System32 drivers, etc. So after you go to these folders, System32 drivers, etc., you can see that there are files here. So open hosts, a notepad, and add the following. So after you open the notepad, these lines will show. So what you need to do is copy this 127.0.0.1 localhost, then replace localhost with testing.com and add another line www.testing.com. So you need to add these two lines in order to access the website that you have created. So next step is go back to the IIS Manager, right click the website that you have created, go to manage website and click on browse. So you can browse the website in IIS Manager or just type in the domain in the browser, which is www.testing.com. So here, after you testing.com, it will show that the one that we have created, which is this is my demo page. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you learned from this video.